Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about the MCQ questions on basic electrical engineering, that is elementary concept. It will cover insulation resistance, temperature rise, atomic structure, work power and energy, etc. Clear? This part will be helpful for GATE examination as well for facing some competitive examinations. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the question number 1. The motor drives a load torque of 200 Newton meter and running at 750 rpm. So output power, we know the output power equal to what? We know the output power equal to what? Output power equal to P out equal to 2 pi n T upon 60. Output equal to 2 pi n T upon 60. So we know 2 into pi into n is what? 750 into T equal to 200 divided by 60. So I am getting is 15707. This is the B answer is correct. 1 ka B. Right? Second, the ambient temperature is 35 degrees centigrade and RTC at 0 degree centigrade is 0.005. RTC at 35. We know the formula. Alpha T equal to alpha 0 upon 1 plus alpha 0 into T. Alpha 0 is what? Alpha 0 is given 0.005 upon 1 plus 0.005 into 35. So you will get alpha 35. Okay. So if you use the calculator, I am just doing. I am getting. This is the C answer is correct. This 0.003225. Okay, yeah, 3.225 into 10 raised to power minus 6. C answer is correct. Sorry. This is not correct. I am getting 4.00422. C is for okay. This C is correct. This is the correct answer. 0.00422. Okay, that is 4.22 into 10 raised to power minus 3. This is the correct. C answer is correct, right? I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 3. A certain appliances use 350 watt if it allows to run continuously for 24 days. Please be careful about it. मैंने इसलिए bold में किया है. Please read the problem carefully. 24 days. How many kilowatt hour of energy will be losses? That is kilowatt hour. W 350 multiply by divide by 1000 किया, so kilowatt multiply by hours. How many days? Hours in a day? 24. How many days? 24. So I am getting 201 kilowatt hour. This is the answer. Right now, watts, if you divide by this by 1000 kilowatt, multiply by 24 hours in a day. So multiply by 24 and how many days? 24 hour days. So 24 into 24, you will get 201. B answer is correct, right? Question number 4. 120 volt lamp dimming circuit is controlled by a rheostat and protected from excessive current of 3 ampere fuse. To what minimum resistance value can the rheostat be set without blowing the fuse? Assume lamp resistance of 20 ohms. So we know I equal to कितना चाहिए आपको? I equal to it is 3 ampere. It should not cross V upon R. V कितना है? 120. R कितना है? 20 प्लस एडिशनल रेजिस्टेंस. भाई अगर एडिशनल रेजिस्टेंस डाल दिया तो इट शुड नॉट क्रॉस. तो ये देखो ना, तो हमको ये मालूम है 3 आने के लिए यहाँ कितने चाहिए? 20 20 20 plus 20 40. 120 upon 40 is 3. इसका मतलब है आप तो ऐसा करो, नहीं तो फिर ऐसा करो 20 प्लस आर इक्वल टू 120 अपॉन ये यहाँ आएगा 3, दैट इज 40. सो आर की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 20 ओम. 20 ohm. Yes, the answer is correct. In this way you can do it, right? Okay, question number 5. 33 ohm half watt resistor and 330 ohm half watt resistors are connected across 12 volt supply. Please, so which one will overheat? Overheat, ज़्यादा power loss कहाँ होने वाला है? So power equal to what? P equal to what? This is 33 ohm. This is 330 ohm connected across 12 volt supply. This is 33, this is 330. Okay, so we know P1 यहाँ P1 है और this is P2. 12 square V square upon R 33 और P2 कितना है? 12 square upon 330. जिसका रेजिस्टेंस कम है उसका पावर लॉस ज्यादा होगा. इसका रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा है बिकॉज V तो सेम है, तो पावर लॉस कम होने वाला है. क्लियर ना? So 33 ohm half watt resistor and 330 half watt resistors are connected across 12 volt supply, means these two are in parallel. So obviously because of resistance is less, power loss will be more here. So power loss will be more means what? 33. Clear? R is less, power loss will be more. Okay, so 33. A 15 volt source connected across 12 volt supply. How much energy used in 3 minutes? So energy equal to क्या होता है? Power into time. Power कितना है? V square upon R into time. V कितना है? 15 square upon R is 12 into time is what? 3 minutes. 3 minutes means 3 into sorry, this is V square upon R is what? This is what? Into hour चाहिए. Hour मतलब how what 3 minute means divide by 60. So the hour में जाएगा, right? अगर 3 से 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो सेकंड हो जाएगा. व्हाट सेकंड? व्हाट आवर है? So it is 225 divided by 12 equal multiply by 3 equal divide by 60. So I am getting 0.93 watt hour. B answer is correct. 6 का B. 6 का B is correct, right? Okay, I am rubbing it. Okay, question number 7. 300 joules of energy are consumed in 15 seconds. What is the power? So power equal to what? Power equal to what? Power की यूनिट क्या है? joules per second. Power की यूनिट joules per second. So how many joules? 300 joules of energy consumed. Divide by 15 सेकंड से डिवाइड करोगे तो you will get 20 watt. C answer is correct, right? Free electrons make current possible. Free electrons अगर हैं current possible, yes, correct. A material that does not allow current under normal condition. What is that? Under normal condition, the material does not allow current under normal condition. Semiconductors. Actually, this is also not allow the current. But word is at normal condition. Under normal condition, semiconductor will work as an insulator, and जैसे temperature बढ़ेगा, it will become a conductor. So under normal condition, it is as a insulator. So semiconductor. और कभी भी allow नहीं करेगा, that is insulator. So it is C answer is correct, right? Okay. Question number 10. Two bulbs marked 200 watt, 250 volt and 100 watt 250 volt are joined in series to 250 volt supply. The power consumed by circuit. So you can say like this, two lamps. So एक का है R1 और दूसरे का R2. Two lamps are in series. Clear? And these two are connected across supply of 250 volt. So what is the value of R1? We know P equal to V square upon R. We know P equal to V square upon R. So R1 equal to what? R1 equal to V square upon P. 1. कितना है V square? 250 square upon P कितना है? 200 watt. So 250 divided by 200 equal to, I am getting 312. This is R1 equal to what? 312.5 ohm. 312.5 ohm. Okay. Similarly, what is the value of R2? V square. V square कितना है? 250 square upon R. What is 100? So you will get 625 ohm. 625 ohm. Now both are connected in parallel, right? Both are connected in series across 250 volt supply like that. So power consumed क्या होता है? V square upon R. So V square कितना है? 250 square upon R कितना है? इन दोनों का सम 937.5 because P total power equal to V square upon R and V क्या है? दोनों का सम है ना, सीरीज में है तो. So क्या आएगा? 250 into 250 divided by 937.5. I am getting 66 watt. Is it correct? Yes, 67 watt. That is the D answer is correct. Are you getting it? Two lamps, अगर 200 वाट 250 का है तो इसका R1 A आ गया, दूसरे का 100 वाट 250 वोल्ट है, उसका भी R2 आ जाएगा. अब दोनों अगर सीरीज में है सब अक्रॉस द 250 वोल्ट सप्लाई, सो P इक्वल टू व्हाट? V स्क्वायर अपॉन R. यू विल गेट 66 वाट. ओनली इतना वाट कंजम्पशन होगा, 67 वाट. ओके. एम्पियर सेकंड इज द यूनिट ऑफ एम्पियर सेकंड. एम्पियर सेकंड, एम्पियर किसका यूनिट होता है? कूलम्स. I equal to what? We know I equal to what? dq by dt. So कूलम्स पर सेकंड इसका दूसरा यूनिट है एम्पियर का. और एम्पियर सेकंड मतलब सेकंड कैंसिल तो कूलम्स आ रहा है. एम्पियर सेकंड का मतलब क्या है? कूलम्स किसका यूनिट होता है? चार्ज का. डी आंसर इज करेक्ट, राइट? ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. विच of the following is not unit of electrical power? Volt ampere, right? Joules per second, right? Watts, correct. Volt per ampere, that is wrong. Okay, इसका power का unit नहीं है, so that is a answer is correct. Okay. क्या हुआ? Okay, question number 13. Okay, an electric heater draws 3.5 ampere current from 100 volt supply. The resistance of the heating element from Ohm's law, V upon I, 110 divided by 3.5. That is 31.4. 31. D answer is correct. Ohm's law. Electric heater, this ampere draws from 110 volt supply. The resistance of the heating element. Okay. Question number 14. The formula to find I when the values of V and R are known. What is V upon R equal to I? D answer is correct. 15. How much voltage is needed for 2.5 ampere current through 200 ohm? From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. V equal to IR. So how much voltage is needed for 2.5 ampere current through 200 ohms? So 200 into 2.5, it is 500 volt. 15 ka B is correct, right? 16. A 120 volt lamp circuit is controlled by a rheostat and protect the axis the current of 3 ampere. To what minimum resistance can rheostat to set without blowing the fuse? Assume lamp resistance of 20 ohm. Already I had discussed this problem earlier. Okay, so it was the answer, I think it was a 120 upon 40, it is 3 ampere, right? So D was the correct answer. Please check it, it is repeated actually. Sorry. Okay, question number 17. The insulation resistance increase with increase in the moisture. Yes, insulation resistance already it is very high, infinite. With the increase in the moisture, insulation resistance decreases, right? So answer is B. The insulation resistance with increase in temperature. Insulation resistance decreases with the increase of temperature, right? So B answer is correct. The RTC is measured in RTC room resistance temperature coefficient is measured in per degree centigrade. B is correct. Okay. 30 joules of energy are consumed in 15 seconds. The power की unit क्या होता है? Power equal to what? Power equal to what? Power equal to the joules per second. So कितना joules से 30 joules in 15 seconds, joules per second is 2 watt. That is the answer, right? Okay. 21. In case of metal, with the increase in temperature, the value of resistance increases. In case of metal, okay. In case of conductance, the conductance is defined as the reciprocal of resistance A, right? 23. Bad conductor of electricity is also known as bad conductor, insulator. Bad conductor of electricity. Okay. C. I am rubbing it. 24 and 25. Okay. The is defined as the ratio of change of resistance of the material per degree Celsius to its resistance at T degree centigrade. It is RTC. 24 का B. RTC. The RTC resistance temperature coefficient is defined as the ratio of change in resistance of material per degree Celsius to its resistance at 1 T degree centigrade. Okay. The RTC depends on the temperature. Independent of the temperature. Constant irrespective. No. It depends on the temperature. So B is correct. Okay, we know alpha की value जो alpha depends on the alpha will change with the change of temperature. So it depends on the temperature, right? Okay. So these are the answer set, answer given here. Please check it. Okay. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.